Hey guys, long time, been a little while. This is what you call last chance saloon. It's pretty late. Yeah, it's gone 8:30 now. It's Saturday night. We decided to have a quiet night and it's just been a beautiful day. It's been absolutely stunning. The sun's been out all day, it's been absolutely blazing, it's been lovely. But I kind of sat at home going, oh, I want to go out, I want to go out. Why don't I go out? Go on, a bit bright there. Yeah, I want to go out. I thought about it and then thought, screw it, I'm doing it. I'm going to go. So I drove literally 5 minutes from my house, just up to the hills by my place. I know a little spot up here that I used to come to, used to sort of a little bushcrafty kind of little camp up here. But instead I've just gone super lightweight. Got my Atom Packs Atom, it's a 30-litre bag. I've actually got more stuff than I need because I threw in a Bivvy bag. Oh, now I'm super dark. What's going on? Yeah, I threw in a Bivvy bag and I also threw in like a little tiny DD. I don't even know what it is. It's like a 10 by 8 or something like that, little tiny tarp. Oh, what's going on tonight? Yeah, so I've got just a Bivvy bag and I've also got a little tarp. So between the two, I should be able to come up with something. I'm just going to find a little spot up here somewhere. Probably because of that. That's a bit better. Yeah, I've got a super steep hill to start with. This hill just goes up and up and up for it's about a mile. It goes up, but at the top you get some pretty good views. Oh, no, you can't see anything. Blacked out. So I'm going to trudge up here now quickly. Oh, this bit better. And find a little spot. Got a beer. We're gonna have a nice chilled out evening. And I got to be up early in the morning. Me and the wife are taking the kids out for the day, so we got a busy day. But I just thought, I've got to get out. It's such a beautiful day. It's still 24 degrees or so. It's been, I think, up to like 28 today, which some people are like, what, 28? But for the UK, that's pretty warm. But right, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Check that out behind me. See what little spot we can find. Right, come along. I could pick anywhere in this field, to be honest, but there is a little spot by this tree that would be pretty nice. Got a nice little view still. Oh, it's such a beautiful evening, look at it. So calm. It's still like 23 degrees. I was sweating coming up that hill. It's a fair old climb, as you can see, so I started down at the bottom just a minute ago. I've come up. Or there's these hay bales over here, so I could kind of go on the lower level, and then I got the higher level as a little backrest. Which, how epic is that? There's a couple of big fires going. Oh, this has got to be it. This has got to be it, isn't it? Look at this. Look, double level backrest. What else could you call for? Farmer's probably going to pick me up in the morning and carry me off in a trailer before I even wake up. Oh, this has got to be it, man. Yeah, screw it. This will do. Here we go. Right. I'm gonna get myself set up. So I changed my mind again. I was down over there earlier on with the double decker hay bale, but the field slopes away, and sat on it. I thought it was quite nice. My head's high, but then I thought, oh, in the night, in a bivvy bag. I don't even need a bivvy bag, to be fair. I'm just going to sleep on. But I was going to have my bivvy bag with my mat inside it. I would have just slid off it all night, and it would have drove me bonkers. So I've decided against it. I've come up here. I found one just in the middle of the field. I'm up on top, double decker, and I'm just going to wait a bit, chill. I've got a beer, so I'm going to have a beer, just chill out, and then yeah, I'm gonna keep up here tonight. How cool is that? I'm excited about this. I'm really glad I came out now. Really glad.
Good morning. It wasn't a bad night's sleep. It was a little bit breezy on top of the hay bales, if I'm honest, which was nice because it did keep me cool, which I bet there was a bunch of people in the UK struggling with the heat last night. We're not used to it. We're not acclimatised to all this heat, so when it gets hot we all get a little bit flustered. All the shops sell out of fans and we all sit with like fans running all night. So I bet there was a lot of people that were struggling with that, whereas I did not, and I slept in, well, basically a bin bag, a fancy bin bag, and it was very good actually. It's one of those Alp-Kit Hunker XLs, which I was a bit worried I was going to cook inside. Some kind of jacket potato or something, but it was good. It was good. It kept me cool. I have got a sleeping bag in here. It's just a Vango Voyage 100 or something, I think it's called, which is rated down to like 10 degrees. It was alright, but the breeze all night on my face, I realised I'm not a lover of the breeze on my face. So but the sun is not up yet. There we go. It's not up. Still due to come up. And then down in the valley over here, maybe you can see this. Got some like little misty bits down there. Very pretty. Over there is the level. It's called the Levels. Very low-lying land. There's a lot of water. It's quite marshy, so that's why it's all gone like that. But so, whoa, too close. So I'm going to get myself sorted out now. Then get myself up, get myself packed away in case the farmer decides to come and pick his bales up, and have a little coffee, and then I'm going to get out of here, I think. But I'm not in any rush because it is lovely. It is absolutely beautiful. I just remembered, I've got to tell you, as you see that, so this is where I slept. That is the edge. I did realise at one point that one of my arms was off the edge. It's just kind of my hand. It started draping over. I was like, oh, like half asleep. Oh, that feels strange. So, oh Jesus, I'm gonna fall off the hay bale. That wouldn't have been good. It's a fair old drop down there. I'm saying it's 6 feet. Right, let's get sorted.
Well, that's it. The sun's come up behind me. Lovely. Still a bit of cloud down in the valley down there. Just been sat having some nettle tea. I forgot to bring tea bags, so I had to improvise. But it's been a nice place to sit this morning. My hay bale is clear. Leave no trace and all that. Nobody would know I was even here. So I'm going to pack you away in the bag now because I'm going to jog home. My house is down in the valley about, I don't know, I think it's about 4 miles away. Yep, so I'm going to call that it now. I will leave you here. It was a lovely little evening to get out, just one night quickly. It's very short and sweet, but I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for watching. I will catch you on the next one.